Greetings all, Joseph Kursky here. Welcome to Cartographic Design. Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you in the final week of our course, Cartographic Design. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I've learned a lot from you, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to teach this. I know that I always learn a great deal from students, and that includes you. So thanks for teaching me, and I hope I've imparted something to you as well that will be valuable and meaningful as you go forward. I want you to think about a couple of things that we talked about way at the beginning of this course. The whole purpose of cartography and GIS is to build a better world, one that's more sustainable, healthier, happier, more resilient. And I hope you get a sense of what people are doing in the field of cartography and GIS more deeply as a result of this course. I also think that what you've shared here actually goes beyond this course. It's actually quite valuable in your own future. So think about the things that you've shared in the course, the reflections on your own learning, the projects that you've shared, the web maps that you've looked at, etc. Those are meaningful and I think important. We've looked at hazards and health and other key issues of our society. I also hope that you've learned from your peers and that you recognize that the GIS cartography community is a nurturing kind of community and one that you can count on going forward in this journey that you're on, your learning journey, but also in your future workforce. You're going to be continuing to be learning there too. So that community, rely on that community and contribute back to that community, help mentor a new person in this area. So again, I hope this course has been valuable. Thanks for everything that you did and contributed and learned and reflected upon and the good hard work that you did. I hope it's been, again, valuable experience that you'll maybe talk to the folks up at Harrisburg Community College and say, hey, this was a very important course and I think it should continue, because hearing it from you will mean a lot more than hearing it from me. But I also want to say that if there's anything that I can do to help you in your future journey as you move forward in your educational journey and in your own career pathway, you know where to find me, and if I can be a part of your network, it would be an honor, and I wish you all the very best, and safe trails and happy trails, and keep on mapping. Take care. One final song. Mrs. Brown, you've got a lovely web map. Maps as sharp as yours are something rare. But it's sad, our course is over now. But I wish to say the learning does go on. Mrs. Brown, you've got a lovely web map. All right, folks, we'll see you online somewhere. Take care.